A teardown of the Trump Mobile T1 revealed it's basically the same as the HTC handset. After looking at the guts of the Trump phone, iFixit, which got the unit first procured by NBC News, concluded it's practically identical to the HTC U24 Pro, the only difference being a slightly larger capacity battery with support for 30-watt charging rather than 60-watt charging and a gaudy paint finish. There is some cosmetic changes like different positioning for the camera array and alternate pattern holes for the speaker. The chipset being Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 12GB of RAM, 512GB storage is fundamentally the same, but the board housing in the Trump phone is from Micron while the U24 is from SK Hynix. Trump Mobile, which initially claimed T1 was made in US, insists the device has American proud design. It claims T1 is shaped by American innovation and was designed by American values in mind. While the phone may be proudly American, it's not made in the US. All the components that from the phone entirely in the US doesn't exist. Trump Mobile now says T1 is proudly assembled in the US, suggesting that team in the country responsible for putting together around 10 components. The $499 Trump phone battery is made in Philippines. Most of the components are from China. iFixit found out that the only place the T1 could be made in a short time from the brand that existed in limited quantity is being produced and at the same price point as the U24 Pro is at the factory with pre-tooling and production lines for this phone. It concluded that T1 is a phone designed in China, made in China, and vast majority of the components are sourced from there.